you've talked about social attitude towards these intersex people and pleaded for our being more understanding and tolerant. I have found that these people, the intersex people, use coercive practices. Whenever a child is born in a family, rich or poor, they forcibly enter the house, extort money, and do all kinds of violent things. And that colors our attitude towards them.
सर देखिए, जब भूख लगती है तो इंसान चोर बनता है. चोरी करने के लिए नॉर्मली कोई चोर नहीं बनता है. यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट. ये लोग सदियों से सताए हुए लोग हैं. आई एम नॉट जस्टिफाइंग फॉर अ मिनट कि जो ये करते सही हैं, बट ऑल आई एम सेइंग इज हमें थोड़ा दिल उनकी तरफ सेंसिटाइज करना पड़ेगा. हम उनको प्यार देंगे तो शायद ये गलत काम करना छोड़. That is, I really feel that.
So we also need to understand that that is their only source of income, primarily.
आप पढ़ने नहीं देते हो, आप कॉलेजेस में जाने नहीं देते हो, आप ऑफिस में कहाँ जाएं बेचारे?
I just wanted to say the same thing what Subhash said.
Give us the mic.
Colonel Subhash said. We also don't accept them. When they come to our house, we just don't want them to enter. We want them to bless our child or the Nahi Dulan or the Dula. But we are also aggressive towards them. So probably it's over the centuries that they've become so vehement and so violent about it. So I guess it's both ways. And I agree to what the two of them said. Thank you so much. And congrats, darling.
Hi friends. I'm one of the lucky few who has read Komal's book, and there are parts that have made me cry. There are parts where I felt did she feel scared because she was literally exposing herself also at times in the book. Komal, I want to ask you a very personal question. The girl Naina who had this intersex child, she abandoned her child for social reasons due to her husband, her mother-in-law. What would you have done if you would have had a child like that? And how do you think your husband would have supported this decision?
Now that's, she put me in a spot, okay? See, you have to understand when you write a book, it's a slice of your conscience. ऐसे नहीं हो सकता है कि कोई किताब लिखता है और उसका मन ही उस चीज़ से नहीं मानता है. You'll trash it and you'll throw it if there's a book like that. Naina, in every sense, is me. I feel. And एक औरत, I'm sure women will feel, हिंदुस्तान में उसको अपनी शादी बहुत बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट होती है. इट्स सार्कोसेंट, भाई फेरे डाल लिए तो बस सब कुछ है. और उसकी इस बुक में उसकी एक बड़ी बेटी थी. यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड, उसको बहुत डर था इस बात का कि मेरी बड़ी बेटी की शादी कैसे होगी. इस जो छोटे से जयपुर शहर में अगर हम ये बता दें कि दूसरा बच्चा इंटरसेक्स है तो उसकी शादी कैसे होगी. सो आई रियली थिंक दैट मैं दिल जान से उससे प्यार करती, लेकिन शायद अपनी शादी को बचाने के लिए थोड़ा बहुत बैलेंसिंग ज़रूर करती, जैसे नैना ने की. और अपनी बड़ी बेटी के प्रेम में उसकी शादी को, उसकी ज़िंदगी ना खराब करने के लिए कहीं ना कहीं बीच का रास्ता निकालती, जो शायद नैना ने. यस प्लीज.
She has covered the female perspective. Since I have read the book, allow me to cover the male perspective. The husband who forces his wife to sort of abandon this daughter, I can assure you most of the men sitting here, including myself, would perhaps be doing the same. Believe you me, it's a fact. Each one of us actually, it is a fact, ma'am. But each one of us should aspire to be that gentleman who was not the father of this girl, but he went all out to help her. So while we may be what we are, firstly, we have to accept that that is what we are. And then we need to aspire to be that gentleman who can actually go out of his way and do things which her father, her biological father, could not do.
Yeah, first of all, I would like to start by congratulating Komal on an amazing book. USP of the book. And now my question to Komal is, he defended the men or talked about the men, and I would like to say, okay, you might get a Naveen in your life, but how easy is it to get a Srishti in your life who would allow your husband to give your name to the other's child?
Okay, for those of you who don't know, there was Naina's friend Naveen who completely supported her. He was her friend from college when she had this baby, in raising the child. In fact, the child, Devi, called Naveen dad. Now, Naveen also has a wife who completely supports him for the cause. To be giving her his name.
That lady is Srishti.
Okay, that lady is Srishti. अब आप मुझसे पूछ रहे हैं कि क्या कोई सृष्टि दुनिया में ऐसे करेगी कि अपने पति को दूसरी औरत के बच्चे को नाम देने देगी? You have to read this book to understand. Naveen was a खुदा का बंदा. The first time he faked the birth certificate, he went first to his wife, took her out for a nice long drive, spoke to her and told her कि भाई ऐसा है, मैं करना चाहता हूँ, मैं बहुत अनकंफर्टेबल होऊंगा अगर तुम मुझे सपोर्ट नहीं करोगी. मेरे लिए तो एक कागज़ का टुकड़ा है वो बर्थ सर्टिफिकेट, उस बच्ची के लिए पूरी जिंदगी है. एंड दैट poor woman, she gets very insecure. She says, but what if she calls me mother? Saying, don't worry, I will make sure that never happens. And that is how this whole conversation happens. And अगर मैं सृष्टि होती और अगर मेरा पति नवीन जैसा sorted आदमी होता जिसने हर पल मेरा साथ पकड़ा होता, I think I would have definitely supported him. He tells her, look, I don't love her, I love you, and पूरी जिंदगी में तुझे ही प्यार करूँगा. तेरे को गलत नहीं समझना है, तू मेरे साथ रहे, and together we will do our best. All is fair in love and war. Yes, I would.
Congratulations, Mrs. Komal Ahuja. Our heartiest congratulations. Firstly, I would like to congratulate you on the brave topic which a female could take, a transgender. According to me, according to everyone sitting in the forum, it is a supreme power. In Hindi, we can call that Ardhanareshwar, which we call the other part of Shiva, other name of Shiva.
Shiva or Parvati.
Shiva, mix of Shiva and Parvati. That is Ardhanareshwar instead of transgender also. My simple person question: after taking such a bold topic of transgenders, who was the person or who were the people who supported you on this topic and helped you in writing this book?
To be very honest, I just wrote. I didn't talk to anybody. I didn't take any approval. Nothing at all. And in fact, I'm very grateful for Meeta to be recognizing that talent. She's my literary agent, the agent from CII. I'll always be grateful. She gave me my first platform. I sent an email to so many people, out of which 3 replied immediately. And when Meeta replied, she called the story powerful. And that was a very rough draft. And she said, I will help you through. And CII edited and you know, somebody like me who had no idea, 3 rounds of editing unless she got like fed up. She says, Komal, relax, you know. So I'm eternally grateful. I didn't ask anybody, Rahul Bhaiya, nobody. It was totally my own. In fact, to be very honest, you know, people tell me, तुमने कितनी हिम्मत दिखाई, पर मैं कर चुकी थी. And then I feel, okay, thank you. You know, it was like that. बहुत हिम्मत वाला काम है, बाद में realize किया, करने के बाद.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for being here. We will request you to join us for tea, and before you move for tea, may I request you to move through this beautiful store lined up with wonderful artifacts and have a look at them. Thank you so much.
Okay, small little thank you note. आज इस समय तक आप रुके हैं तो थोड़ा सा 2 मिनट और रुक जाइए. I have written this whole list of acknowledgements for people who supported me in the book. It's the first page. But for the launch here, there are a lot of people who really supported me. My husband, Mary Lalit ji, he telling me every night, मैं तुमसे सबसे ज़्यादा प्यार करता हूँ. I said, ललित जी, पर आप तो मेरे अपने हो ना. So he's saying यही तो problem है, so it's negated. So I want to acknowledge here, मेरा पति मुझसे बहुत प्यार करता है और उसने मेरी सबसे ज़्यादा marketing, I mean, he rocked the world for me, and thank you so much. So before I don't make that same mistake and saying Pranav मेरा है, तो Pranav मेरा है, but I love you, my son, for the hugs and the kisses that I get every day. He sent me the most beautiful message. He says, tomorrow if I'm successful, Mama, it will be because after I read this book, I feel that मैं कुछ भी कर सकता हूँ. So that was the most amazing compliment that my child gave me. And in fact, you know, my agent told me that it is not the right time to be launching the book because अभी तो book stores में भी नहीं आई है. And even on Amazon, it's a pre-order link, on Flipkart order link. But for me, the most important thing was that my son is here. So before he leaves for his studies, that is why the launch is here. So yeah, it was the right time for me. Ayush Bhaiya and Gitanjali, thank you so much for giving me this most amazing place to have this show over here. And Naveen and Smriti, who they are my friends from the most wonderful ad agency, the leading in Rajasthan, Mercury. Naveen, you're truly a Khuda ka banda. He did these entire creatives, my entire digital promotions, and I kept begging him, Naveen, kahin to apna naam dalo, Mercury ka naam dalo. Trust me, I mean, I'm overwhelmed, and thank you God for these most amazing friendships in life. Shipra, this beautiful dress, thank you so much. I love you so much. Ritu, who arranged this entire, all the nice stuff that you guys will eat. And thank you all the Sofins. I love you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you Minaldi, thank you Pooja. For traveling all this way to be here, it is the most wonderful. It's my wow moment and I'm overwhelmed that you share it with me, my entire family. And apart from this, I want to, Subhash sir, it's his birthday today. He did not say no. He didn't say once कि मैं नहीं आऊँगा मेरा birthday. His wife is not here because she's managing the khana for him. परिवार शाम को आएगा, but he was here. I'm very very grateful and a big thank you to all of you wonderful people. मेरी किताब केवल 144 पेजेस की है, लेकिन अपनी आत्मा मैंने उसमें डाली है. And I did not expect so many people, so we have these very less chairs here. I thought मैंने किसी को तो फ़ोन किया नहीं है, पता नहीं कौन आएगा नहीं आएगा, पर it's your love that makes me strong. You know, when I write, I weep most of the time, and today I wish I could just have my tears let go because I'm holding myself. I love each one of you and I respect the fact that you took your time and you were here. Thank you so much. And I want, where's Meeta? Meeta, can you please come up the stage? I want you here, please, by my side, because she was one woman because of which all of you are here. Thank you, sir. You don't know how wonderful it is to have you. I'm absolutely overwhelmed. Jasbir, आपने मेरे को अपनी बहन बुलाया. That is the most wonderful thing possible. Thank you so much. And we'll have Meeta here. Meeta, आप आइए मेरे पास. I want to say thank you, please. आइए, let everybody.
Can we have a? Please give her a big hand, ladies and gentlemen.
Rahul Bhaiya, thank you so much for coming here. Okay, she's the lady who
You wrote the book.
she recognized my talent. You have to understand, हजारों लोग हजारों मेल्स डालते हैं, इनके पास एक दिन में 30 MSs आते हैं. तो the fact that she said कोमल ठीक है, तूने अच्छा लिखा, मैं तेरे मैन्युस्क्रिप्ट पे काम करूँगी और तेरी मदद करूँगी. I'm eternally grateful. And in fact, ये तो बहुत सारे लोगों को मौका देती हैं. She's if you go through on the website, बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो मुझ जैसे eternally grateful हैं. So I hope you carry on the good work, Meeta. Thank you so much.